Hello and welcome to today's episode of Max's Never-Ending Truck Issues. Today we have a quick little story about this truck that caught on fire earlier today. Seriously, it was on fire. I don't even know where to go from here. So basically what happened was, this morning, this truck did not start. It's had some intermittent starting issues recently. I suspected that the batteries were bad, so we decided to pull the batteries out, take a look at them. They were pretty corroded. They were 3 years old, so figured, yeah, let's just go buy some new batteries and see if that's the issue. So we get some new batteries here. Those old ones are pulled out, putting the new batteries in. On this, it's a 2-battery system, and there's 6 nuts that need to be tightened. I tightened the first 4. The next 2 are set up, ready to go, just need to be cinched down. I give the socket wrench to one of my guys, and I say, hey, tighten the rest of these. I'm going to go grab the keys. And he goes in there, puts the socket wrench down, does 1 turn, and touches the terminals of the 2 batteries together, and it caused a spark, which scared him. He threw his hand back, but where the socket wrench landed was touching both the terminals. So this caused a shower of sparks everywhere as we're all standing here trying to figure out what to do, trying to hit it out of the way. Sparks are flying all over. You can see it getting hotter and hotter. The problem is it's stuck to the terminals, and we need to knock it off without shocking ourselves as well. And then after about 20 seconds, it starts on fire in the back. That's when it's getting real chaotic. So I grab this piece of plastic over here. That's like the battery cover. And I use this to javelin the socket wrench off. I'm going to show the damage here in just a second. I javelin the socket wrench off. That flies down to the ground. Finally, this is all cooling down. It's smoking. These are brand new batteries. I figure those are shot. So let's take a closer look at the batteries. All right, so this is the 2 battery layout here. You're not really going to be able to see the back side, but this will do the trick to show you what exactly is going on. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you can probably tell what's going on already. This is supposed to look like this. This is not supposed to have melted metal all over it. This is because the wrench was touching that and another piece. I'm not sure if you can see this, but this nut is actually now welded to this threaded post, and that is going to be nearly impossible to get off. If these batteries ever need to be replaced again, we're probably going to have to just get a whole new terminal. And then let me show you the socket wrench. Okay, here's the socket wrench that caused the issues. You can see it has seen better days. That's where I was touching the back end. It was basically welding itself to the terminals. This back cap just popped off. We weren't able to find that, and this does not spin at all anymore. So this thing's totally shot. That's not really a big deal. But this happened all in about 20, maybe 30 seconds. And then once this hit the ground, we threw some water on it, and the water actually began instantly boiling. It was so hot. So that about sums up my morning. You know what they say, nothing quite gets the blood flowing like a small electrical fire to start off the day.